Simple Green Car Wash rids your car of dirt and pollution that can cause unsightly stains and potential damage to any number of automotive surfaces. The thick foaming lather easily lifts off unwanted grime like mud, grease, and insects from painted surfaces, windows, canvas, vinyl, and more. It's perfect for use on cars, trucks, and motorcycles, as well as RVs, trailers, and a wide variety of recreational vehicles. The incredible smelling concentrated formula rinses to a brilliant streak-free finish and won't dull or strip wax surfaces. The non-toxic, readily biodegradable, and phosphate-free formula is also gentle enough for use on clear coats, gel coats, and specialty paint jobs. Families love Simple Green products because they work. They're also safer for both you and the environment than traditional harsh chemicals. We think you'll love them so much that we've backed them with our own 100% money-back guarantee. Keep your home and our world clean with Simple Green.